In this video I'm going to show you how to use an LG dryer motor for something else. Let's say that you found a dryer or your dryer just kicked the bucket and it's too expensive to repair. You could remove the motor and use it for a grounding wheel or whatever else you want to use it for. What I'm going to do is I'm going to show you how to wire it so you can run it. After you remove the motor from the junk dryer, you're going to need to cut off the wire harness. So we're going to use it to connect it to the motor, okay? Once you have the wire harness of the motor, you're going to cut the following wires. And I'm going to show you which of the two wires you're going to leave on. And you're going to cut the rest. You're going to cut all the wires except for the brown and white wires. Those are the two wires that you're going to leave on the harness. Like this, okay? Then you're going to take a cord, a power cord, and you're going to attach it to the harness. So it should look like this. You're going to take the wire harness and you're going to connect it to the motor. Make sure you push it all the way in. Like that. Now you could connect the power cord to the wall outlet or to an extension cord, and when you turn it on, the motor should run. And this way you could use the motor, I don't know, for a grinding stone or whatever other project that you could do with it. These are good motors. If you're going to buy a motor like this, it probably costs you $100 and some. So if you have use for the motor, this is the way that you rewire it so you could use it for something else besides the dryer. Thank you for watching. This is Angel the Appliance Man. If you like my video, subscribe to my channel and I will notify you every time I make a new video. Thank you for watching. This is Angel the Appliance Man.